Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive, remove the 2 screws on the base cover to slide and lift the cover off the system. Unlatch the front bezel to remove it. Identify the hard drive assembly and disconnect the cables. Remove the 2 screws and lift the assembly out of the system. Remove the 2 screws securing the hard drive to the assembly. Lift the drive out of the assembly. To reinstall the hard drive, place it back in the assembly and secure it with the 2 screws. Place the assembly back in the system. Tighten the 2 screws and reconnect the cables to secure it. Relatch the front bezel to the system and secure the base cover with the 2 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.